right, today is the day. The engine on the Sea Ray 260 is coming out.
This guy is amazing. Single-handedly by himself. Wow. That guy, I've never seen him that much.
Yeah. So you have a live sciences background?
Yeah.
That's incredible. He's a pharmacist, by the way.
Sides first, see what kind of clearance we have, and then I can push it up over the edge. Yeah, maybe if when I come to pull it back a little more. Alright, that's what we're gonna pull that block out when I get home. Yeah. Get my not the most powerful part of it. Right. Man, look at all that rust. Yeah, you can see where I pulled the manifolds off on the side. That was from water corrosion. Yeah, there was an intrusion in the exhaust manifold, so it got water inside there. Probably went into the combustion chamber and locked up the pistons.
So quick change of plans. Gonna get the seats out and get the upholstery clean. But for right now, yeah, my job is to unscrew these things because these are bolted on back here. You can see the screw right there. So I'm gonna take this off and then do some interior cleaning. There's like some stains like that. There's this bolt all around there, so. All the dirt from years and years of dirt. Look at this. All that. Yeah, it feels good. Getting a practically new interior boat for sure. Coming out some, and then clean the interior of that as well. Status update: the side pieces are out, so about to get the bottom pieces out, and then we're gonna start just cleaning out all this mess and dirt. Look at this. This is like years of use. This is all gonna look super clean and brand new, almost, I guess. Back here, we took out all that cushion, and we're gonna really detail this part out. I'm hesitant to take that headboard or back piece out here because I don't know how it's done there, but I'm gonna clean the entire cabin. Got this detailer that is yeah, interior detailer, and hopefully it looks good. So yeah, years of use, and it's gonna look super clean once done. Day 4. Engine's out. Brought some goodies: the lithium-ion battery, the inverter with battery monitor. The seat cushions are out, and we detailed using this with vinyl. So it smells very fresh. Just a light clean, but yeah, we did good. So all the seat cushions are out. I'm gonna take them home and do some reconditioning to make it smell nice and just refresh it. But yeah, and also back here, got all those cushions out. So that's it for today. Last wash I did, still showing, and it's still shiny-ish. Very light wash, but yeah, I gotta get that thing detailed more. I think once the engine's back in, do a better detailed job. But that's it for today's video. Thank you all for joining. Look forward to seeing you on the next one for sure.